My name's Tammy-Lee Smith.
My name is Bianca Valenti.
My name is Paige Alms, and I'm really looking forward to the 2017 REBELSessions.
And I've only heard good things about South Africa and the waves and the food and the animals and the nature, and so yeah, so finally I made it.
I've been hearing about the big waves down in South Africa for forever. I've done a couple trips here but never had the chance to come down to Cape Town and check out the big wave spots.
We're just here to score some big waves, push each other, surf, have fun, feel the stoke, share the stoke. I like the REBELSessions idea because it like enhances the camaraderie that I see that big wave surfing has, you know. So it's basically just like a free session, and then the judging of what happens comes afterwards, and then I think that eliminates the kind of competitive elements, you know.
Go out whenever you want, you catch whatever waves you want, whoever's charging the hardest that day and whoever gets the best wave is the winner, so to speak. And I think that's awesome because it's like it's not dependent on just 1 hour and maybe you get the bad tides or like worse wind than your heat before or something. So yeah, I think it's a great concept.
Yeah, it's really cool, powerful experience because surfing with them, they're obviously the coaches, and you see them improving and give them the praise, like, you're so awesome, I'm so proud of you, you're so strong, and they're like, you can see that these people haven't had much praise either growing up, so it feels good to be that person to support and just encourage.
It was inspiring because they surf big waves and it was so amazing. They were so encouraging.
Yeah, it was great seeing pro surfers coming to us, Waves for Change. It means a lot to us.